Hello guys, I have this perfect cordless vacuum cleaner for your home. This vacuum has a detachable battery, extendable handle, and they're very easy to put them together. And they have a great suction power. Look at these. And they have non-spill technology, nothing comes out guys. They have LED touchscreen and 3 different modes of suction, great for your home and office. This vacuum also has these multiple nozzles which make easier for you to clean every corner of your house. These nozzles will make it easier for you to clean sofa, stairs, and even a car. And you have to only press one button to empty the trash. If you guys like this vacuum, please click on orange card to order yours. Thank you.